So Unit 2, Activity 6, climatic processes, hurricanes. Again, with the recent hurricane that just struck Florida, Hurricane Michael, definitely it's something that is occurring. It seems to be more and more often, or at least the storms have a much greater force to them. And again, we can assume perhaps climate change is involved with that, but climate change is having an impact on the conditions that are required to create hurricanes. So the first section here is a See, Think, Wonder. So using this little map right here, you're going to basically do the activity as it requests. And so it'll allow you to complete the See, Think, Wonder organizer, which you'll download and complete, and then submit. Sorry, not submit, but save to your ePortfolio in that case. And it's asking if you saw some patterns, what do you think is causing it, et cetera, about hurricanes. So once you've thought about that, you've got 3 questions to share about hurricanes in your discussion. It's important to make sure that you put those questions in there. And then these questions, as well as the classmates' questions, will be used later on in this activity. So again, please share your 3 questions about hurricanes in this discussion link right here. So again, looking at hurricanes and predictable paths, other words for hurricanes are cyclones. So if it's an Eastern Pacific storm, we often cause those be a cyclone and typhoon. It's just basically the different parts of the world they occur in, but basically the same phenomena. So it's the same thing that's occurring. You've got these massive storms that have been created, in most cases that are tied to shallow warm water. Usually it's shallow because the shallow water warms up quicker, but we're finding that even out in the deeper water now, the temperatures of the oceans are changing, and so you've got these storms building up much more power because of the warming oceans. So now we're looking at searching for answers. So exploring the following websites, search for answers to your questions and your chosen classmate's question. So each student can have one reply. So if someone already has replied, choose another student's question to reply to. But these resources have been organized based on themes, and so you can use this now to go in and do that. In order to stay focused, maybe complete this graphic organizer. It has space for the answer to your 3 questions and your classmate's question, and the activity inquiry question as well. So this can be downloaded or uploaded into that discussion item also. But here's some places that you can find information that might help to answer your 3 questions. And again, once that's all been done, it says paste the answer you developed to your classmate's question as a reply to the original post where you found the question. And then your classmate will use your answer in the consolidation section as an activity. So everything else that you create in this template will go into this Dropbox right here, and so it'll all be assessed. So again, please make sure you put the stuff in the appropriate discussion and then take that discussion information to add to your template. And then once that's completed, you put it into this Dropbox. And at the end here, it's sort of a reflection here in terms of formulating questions for inquiry self-reflection. So once that's done, you can put this into that Dropbox.